Сегодня мы говорим о слове «давай». That's interesting. You all know or heard the word «давай». Do you know how to use it? The imperative «давай» in the Russian language is used to express an invitation, suggestion, or urging to perform an action. Here are a few ways to use the imperative «давай» in a different context. First, inviting someone to join or to do something together. When you want to invite someone to do something together, you can use «давай» as an invitation. For example, «давай пойдем в кино». Let's go to the cinema. «Давай встретимся, попьем кофе». Let's meet for coffee. Urging someone to take an action. The imperative «давай» can also be used to urge someone to take a specific action. For example, «давай поспешим». Let's hurry. Давай сделаем это. Let's do it. Давай начнем. Let's start. Motivation. Using давай can also serve as a way to encourage or motivate someone to take action. For example, давай, ты справишься. Come on, you can do it. Давай, не сдавайся. Come on, don't give up. Okay, next point. Request for collaborative activity. Sometimes «давай» can be used as a request for joint participation in the activity. For example, «давай поможем друг другу». Let's help each other. Или «давай работать вместе». Let's work together. It's important to remember that the usage of the imperative «давай» can depend on the context and the relationship between the speakers. It's commonly used in informal conversations and has a friendly tone, allowing for inviting or suggesting something to be done together. Давайте учить русский язык вместе.